Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Emily. I hope you are well and thank you for joining me today. Today we are going to read a book about, can you guess who? Pete the cat. And he's rocking in my school shoes. This story is by Eric Litwin, aka Mr. Eric, and art by James Dean. Look, Pete is on a yellow school bus. There's Pete. Here comes Pete strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school and he sings this song. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. There are Pete's shoes. Pete's shoes are red. Can you say red? Good job. Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall to a room with books on every wall." Where is Pete going? Question mark. That's what that means. It's a question. Where could he be going, friends? The library. Pete has never been to the library before. Have you been to the library? Wow, they have lots of books there, right? Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book and sings his song. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat in a big noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? There's friends here and Pete's there and he has a big fork in his hand. Pete's lunch? Sounds like someone's getting ready to eat in the lunchroom. Can you see the lunchroom? It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and sings his song. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete? Oh, there he is. Pete is on top of the slide. Do you see him too? He's on the playground. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and sings his song. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm writing in my school shoes. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. I wonder who's waiting for him. Wow, it's Pete's mom. Pete's mom asked him, "What did you do at school today?" And Pete says, what do you think he said? I was rocking in my school shoes. Let me hear you. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And I I will do it again tomorrow because it's all good. Look at Pete. Pete's ready to go. He's got his backpack and his lunchbox. Oh, friends, he is having a great day. And look, everyone say bye, Pete. And look who I have. There's Pete. Hi, Pete. How are you? It's so good to see you. Thank you for joining us today. Can you wave and tell our friends bye? Bye. We'll see you later.